What's going on, everybody? This is Chris. Today we're going to be working on the Silverado. We're going to be upgrading the low beams. These are some random lights that I got off eBay, and we are going to be upgrading to the Lasfit Pro. These are specific for the Silverado. So we're gonna get to opening this box and see what we're getting here. So as you guys can see, it comes, package looks pretty good. Looks like they put some time in it. Good quality. I feel like every company should do stuff like this. If it comes in a nice package, well organized and everything, it gives a lot to talk about that company. You know what I mean? We're going to remove the cap. We're getting the eBay ones out. I want to show the brand. And we're going to be putting the nice Lasfit ones in. And we'll do a comparison on the two of them. All right, here just making sure the bulb works. Right now it doesn't, so we're just gonna turn this and see. There we go, we turned the flip. As you can see, it's got the mechanism with the fan on, so they don't get heat. They can deal with heat like that. They won't get too hot like the regular LEDs would. So we'll get the light in right now. Looks pretty good. So here they are. Excuse my engine bay. It's dirty. So this cap that they provide actually replaces the rubber piece, the rubber cap that you get for this headlight, which is pretty good. I like it. So you're gonna go from this to this thing, which is great. Gives you more space for all your wires and stuff. And it's a solid piece, not the rubber OEM stuff. So we're gonna put that cap back on and try them out. So here it is. The cap goes on pretty tight. Yeah, so far no complaints. We're gonna go ahead and turn the lights on so we can see the difference between all of them. Ooh, so there they are. They are definitely a better quality than the eBay ones that I had. Looks like brightness is pretty good, and they match my fog light, so I like that. Now we're gonna be moving into this one. I know you guys do not want to see the same thing all over again, so I'm just gonna speed up the process and show you guys when it's done. So here's a side comparison between the two of them. So you can see the Lasfit fan on it is a little bigger. The eBay one is smaller. Lasfit's better quality. So far, when it comes to the actual product, looks better and everything. But if you own one of these trucks, you should know that the driver's side, it's a little bit more complicated due to the fact that it has less space and you can't get your hand through here, which is the way I did it on the passenger side. However, it's not impossible, it's just a little more tedious work. All right, so I'm gonna get this one on and get them both on and ready to go so I can turn it on. So here it is. It's all done, ready to go. Man, you can never go wrong with some nice LEDs. So these ones are from Lasfit, specific for the Silverado custom. I think it's a 19 and 22 generation. Could be wrong, but yeah, pretty great product. I like them, good quality. Like I said, the driver's side is gonna be a little bit of a hassle to get them in, but that's just because of the way that the truck is with the amount of space that it has. Well, yeah, they were great. I'm happy that they matched my fog lights. And this product was actually sent to me from Lasfit with the purpose of me trying them out and give out a review about them. And the great thing about this is that, you know, Lasfit did not contact me just to get a product and talk good about it. They just wanted me to go ahead and give out a honest review on them. Either I like them or not. And I'll be honest with you guys, so far I don't have any complaints with them. I mean, I know I just got them on, but as you can see, excuse the mess in my garage, but I like them. Like I said, you know, they're pretty good. I still gotta see how they're gonna look and perform at night, but so far it's a thumbs up for me. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link in the description down below, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys don't wanna toss those caps that we replaced, just go ahead and put them in the glove box where you keep your locks for the wheels or whatever. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and like the video, comment, subscribe, whatever you guys want to do. Stay blessed.